I'm gonna hop in the car and we'll be going. Bye guys. But also really scared. Oh, that's our boat right there, Mama.
Vocês vão bestar.
And it's pretty cool. I love it. But also terrifying.
Oh, Carmen.
Are you our captain?
Our captain is right there. I'm the deckhand, main
Okay.
deckhand.
The correct name for this entire area though is Waialua. And Y, W-A-I in Hawaiian is water, and Lua is two. This whole area has two sources of water, and that's why the Hawaiians named it Waialua. So you have Keaka stream over here, and you have Anahulu stream right here. In the ancient Hawaiian times, that's what determined where the Hawaiians lived, wherever the fresh water was. So there was a very big fishing village right here back in the old days, and all of our islands are separated into a piece of land called an ahupua'a. And in every single ahupua'a, you had one village and one chief, and he was called the konohiki. He would run that ahupua'a. If you were born in this ahupua'a, you were not allowed in the next ahupua'a without permission. And one ahupua'a, the reef, by the way, the ocean is also part of the ahupua'a. So that section of land would go out into the ocean. So you could fish in this ahupua'a if you're from this ahupua'a. Sometimes the other ahupua'a would have better fish, right? But you, because of your soil, maybe you had better vegetables. So you trade the vegetables for the fish, right? A lot of movies and TV shows filmed around here, you guys. I have been very fortunate. I've been a professional surfer for about 35 years. And that kind of opened the doors to my acting career. My first movie was Blue Crush. And then I have a character in Hawaii Five-0 for like 10 years. And now my character is in Magno PI. And they filmed a couple episodes of Hawaii Five-0 here. Jurassic Park, they filmed on the island also.
I hope you guys like a massive size. It's cool. Like literally. But I think I'm gonna go on top with a little bird. Okay guys, we saw some awesome, humongous sharks out there. It was pretty cool if I do say so myself. Now they're pulling the cage back.